Story of the Little Sparrow Who Wouldn't Share. A little sparrow named Pico was flying happily when he found a big pile of shiny golden grains near a quiet farm, and he felt very excited and proud. Pico thought the grains belonged only to him, so he quickly began collecting them without thinking about anyone else. Soon, some other small birds came politely and asked Pico to share a little food. But Pico shouted angrily and chased them away. Suddenly, dark clouds covered the sky. Strong winds began to blow, and the shiny grains started scattering everywhere. Pico tried very hard to save the grains all by himself, but he was too small and could not stop them from flying away. The other birds stood nearby and watched quietly, remembering how Pico had treated them. Then one kind bird said that working together could save the grains, and Pico felt ashamed and sorry. All the birds worked as a team and saved most of the food, and Pico learned an important lesson. Moral: sharing and helping others makes life easier and happier for everyone.